guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Tronsmart Element Splash. Pair two of these together to show you guys how the true wireless stereo feature works. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I have here the Tronsmart Element Splash Bluetooth speaker. This is the blue camouflage version and it is IP67 Waterproof certified. So let's see what comes in the package. So inside the box we have another packaging right here. I'll set this aside for a second. And of course we have the Bluetooth speaker itself. We also have some paperwork here. We have the warranty card and of course the manual. Inside the small packaging we have the micro USB cable for charging and the free carabiner so you can hang this anywhere you like. So let's take a closer look at the Tronsmart Element Splash Bluetooth speaker. At first touch, it feels really solid with an ample weight to it and the overall feel is very nice. In front, we have a hard plastic material with camouflage design here, as well as a hard plastic speaker grill at the center. It also has a plastic lining here and it looks like we have here the LED indicator and the built-in microphone. At the top, we have the control buttons starting with the power button, the volume down, the play and pause, and the volume up button. The side of the speaker is covered with a nice rubber material, which I always prefer as it will definitely help with the grip. At the other side, we have the Tronsmart logo right here, and at the back, we have the same hard plastic camouflage design as well as it looks like a speaker grill, but it actually doesn't have holes in it. We have here the TPU cover for the ports. Inside it, we have the micro SD card slot as well as the micro USB port for charging. We also have here a rubber loop wherein you can attach the included carabiner. Overall, the design is quite unique with this blue camouflage design and the build quality is very solid with a nice rubber coating. At the back, we also have a rubber lining to keep it in place while playing music. Before we proceed, I would just like to pop the specifications on the screen so you can check it out real quick. I also have here the black version so you can see the difference, but basically they are the same in terms of construction, same hard plastic material, speaker grill, and rubber coating. Both of these weighs roughly around 207 grams with a diameter of 10 centimeters. Now, pairing this to your device is super easy. Just push the power button for 3 seconds and it will automatically go to pairing mode. Now, all you have to do is turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and depending on your device, it should automatically detect the Tronsmart Element Splash. Pair it and you're good to go. As mentioned, I want to show you guys the TWS feature. So here I have another Tronsmart Element Splash. Let me just unpair the current connection here real quick. Of course, we also have to power on the other speakers so that we can pair them together. At first, our device will detect both of them separately as you can see here. And if you want to enter TWS mode, all we have to do is double click on one of the Bluetooth speaker. With that, it will cancel any card connection. Double click it again to finally pair both of them together. This will beep and once paired, this will respond with another beep. Now, if we refresh our device, it should now detect only one Tronsmart Element Splash. That means we can now listen to our music on both of these speakers in stereo mode. We're going to do a proper sound test later, but here's a quick sample for the true wireless stereo mode. As you can hear, the sound quality is really nice and powerful when both of these are working together in TWS mode. Now, let's talk about its other features. As mentioned, it does have a microphone on it so you can answer and reject calls right from the speaker. You can use the play and pause button to answer and reject calls, and the microphone quality is actually good enough for casual communication. My voice is clear on the other end as well as the voice of the person I'm talking to. It also features a built-in media player using a micro SD card slot located at the back covered with a nice TPU protection. When it comes to charging this Bluetooth speaker, you can use a standard 5V 1A wall adapter or a power bank like this. While charging, the LED will turn red and will turn off when it's fully charged for around 2.5 hours as per my testing. Once fully charged, it allowed me to play music continuously for around 8 hours for about 60 to 70% volume, which is more than enough for me. As mentioned, it comes with a free carabiner right here so you can bring this along with you anywhere. You can hang this on your shower or bring it to poolside. Speaking of poolside, the Tronsmart Element Splash is IP67 waterproof. which means it can be splashed with water and be submerged up to 1 meter, so you don't have to worry about it and just enjoy your music. But obviously, the sound quality will be a little bit muffled when being submerged in water, but once dried off, it will be back to normal. That's just something that you want to take in mind. Now, as promised, here's a comprehensive sound test for you guys.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Time to get old school, so you can feel cool. You listen to me, baby, baby, yeah.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
As you can hear, the sound quality is quite decent for its size, the bass is definitely there, and the mids and highs are very much recognizable. It's not as powerful as a Tronsmart Element T2 by any means, but it's very capable at its own right. It can get pretty loud, but it tends to cramp up at higher volume. My personal choice is around 60 to 70% volume for a more comfortable listening experience. When paired together as one for the TWS feature, the sound quality is obviously better, more immersive, and can fill a room without any problem. And that leads us to my conclusion. At its current price of just 1,000 pesos or 18 US dollars, you'll be hard pressed to get something better than this. considering the features, the small form factor, and the overall sound quality. Yes, you can get probably something cheaper than this, but you're definitely not getting the same quality materials the Tronsmart Element Splash has. The only thing that I miss on this is a 3.5mm aux port. Other than that, I think this is a really good value for your money. There you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below. Thanks to Tronsmart for sending this in. You can get this from their official store on Lazada, link on the description below as well. Subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you, have a great day.